There's only one way that this world actually changes.
Peacemaking demands action. What might that be for each of us starting tomorrow? Would you consider a 1-week, 3-step peacemaker plan? 1, a contention-free home zone. When contention starts, pause and reboot with kind words and deeds. 2, digital bridge building. Before posting, replying, or commenting online, ask, will this build a bridge? If not, stop. Do not send. Instead, share goodness. Publish peace in the place of hate. Number 3, repair and reunite. Each family member could seek out a strained relationship in order to apologize, minister, repair and reunite.
If you feel the pull to be a peacemaker online, come and do it with us.